Hello kids, and today we're gonna learn about wild animals that lives in savanna. Great, and we have different types of animals. And let's count how many animals we have on this board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one, we have a savanna tree. So let's start. And let's start the search for a zebra. And let's maybe turn this one. No, it's not a zebra, it's a rhino. Where could be zebra be? Let's maybe take this one. No, it's a buffalo. No, I think the zebra could be this one. Yes, it's a zebra. And let's think where we can place it on a board. Should it go here? No, maybe we should turn around. But then we don't see the picture of the zebra. So it should be like this. I think the zebra should go here. Yes, that's right. And the zebra is the letter Z. Zebra. Great. We found our first wild animal. And a small fact about the zebra, that zebras have black and white stripes. Just like a barcode. Each zebra stripes are unique. Great. We found our first wild animal. Let's continue with the next one. And next one gonna be, yes, a lion. The big and mighty lion. And let's think where it could be. Let's maybe try to turn this one. No, it's buffalo. It's not a lion. Let's maybe turn around this one. No, it's a savanna tree. Where could be the lion? Let's think. Maybe this. Yes, it's a lion. And let's place the lion on the board. Let's think together where it could go. Maybe here. No, it doesn't go here. It's too small for this shape. Let's maybe try here. No, it doesn't go here really well. I think the lion should go, yes, here. Right. And the lion has the letter L. Great. Lion starts with the letter L. And there is the small fact about the lion. Lions are called the kings of the jungle, but they live in the savanna. They have loud roars. Great. Let's continue with the next wild animal. And let's try to find the leopard. And where the leopard could be. Let's turn around this piece. No, it's a mama elephant and baby elephant. It's not a leopard. Let's try maybe this one. No, it's a giraffe. Where could be the leopard? Let's think together. I think it could be this one. Let's try. Yes, this is our leopard. And let's think where we can place it on a board. And maybe here. No, it doesn't go here well. Maybe here. Maybe we should turn around. No, it still doesn't go there. Let's think. The leopard. It has really big tail. I think it should go. Yes, it goes here really well. Great job. And leopard has the first letter L. The leopard starts with the letter L. And here is the small fact about the leopard. Leopards have beautiful spots and great climbers. They sometimes rest in the trees. Great! Well done! We found our third animal. And we continue with the next one. Let's try to find monkey. And monkey could be somewhere here. And let's turn around this piece. And it is rhino. It's not a monkey. And the monkey starts with letter M, monkey. And I think the monkey could be this one. Let's turn around together. Let's do it. Yes, it's a monkey. Great, and monkey looks really small compared to other wild animals. So let's think where we can place the monkey. Do you think we should place it here? No, it doesn't go here. Should we place it here? No, it doesn't go here. I think it should go here. Strange. But let's turn around 2 times. 1 and 2. Great! We found the monkey, our 4th wild animal. And there is the fact about the monkey. Monkeys love to swing from branches using their long tails. They are playful and chatty. And the monkey starts with letter M. Monkey. Great. We found our 4 wild animals. We found leopard, zebra, monkey, and lion. Let's continue with our adventure. And let's find other pieces for the board. And let's try to find baby elephant and mama elephant. And let's think where it could be. Let's maybe turn this one. No, it's a giraffe. It's not the elephant. Let's try this one. Yes, it's this one. Let's turn around on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have mama elephant and baby elephant. And let's think together where we should place it. It's a really big piece. Where do you think we should place it? Yes, it should go here. Should we place like this? No, let's turn around again. It doesn't go like this. Let's turn around again. Yes, great. We place our piece on a board. It's mama elephant and baby elephant. And there is the small fact about the elephant. Elephants have long trunks, and trunk is the nose of the elephant. Elephants have long trunks. They used to drink water, and big ears that flap in the breeze. Great. An elephant, the first letter of the elephant is letter E. Great. Congratulations. We found our piece for the board. And let's continue with others. So the next piece that we're gonna try to find gonna be the savanna tree. And let's think, it's not an animal, it's a tree. And let's turn around this puzzle piece. No, it's not a tree. It's an animal called buffalo. It's not a tree, and we need a tree. Maybe this one, maybe this or this one. I think, yes, it's this one. No, it's a giraffe. Let's try to go with this one. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's our savanna tree. And savanna tree, we need to place somewhere on the board. And where do you think it should go? And this is a really big puzzle piece. So it could go here? No, it doesn't go here. Maybe here. Let's turn around 2 times. 1 and 2. Great, we place it there, the tree. And the savanna tree have the umbrella-shaped tops and thorns. Giraffes love to munch on their leaves. And the savanna tree stands for letter S. Savanna tree. S. Great. We found the tree. And let's continue to find our wild animals. And we left with the 3 animals. And let's try to search for giraffe. I think the giraffe is this one. What do you think? Let's turn around. 1, 2, and 3. Great, yes, it's a giraffe. And let's think together where we can place the giraffe. I think it could go maybe here. No, maybe we should turn around. Maybe one more time. No, it doesn't go here. Maybe it should go... Yes, it should go here. Great. And giraffe stands for letter G. Letter G. the first letter of the giraffe, wild animal. And there is the small fact about the giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals and use their long necks to eat leaves from high trees, like this one, the savanna tree. Great, let's place it back. And we only left with 2 wild animals. And let's search for a rhino. And let's turn around this piece. No, it's not a rhino, it's a buffalo. I think this is the rhino. Let's take it. Yes, this is the rhino, and let's think where we should place it. Maybe it should go here. No. Let's turn around again. No. Let's turn again. No. Then we only left with this shape. Let's try. Should we turn around 2 times? Should we do it? Yes. 1, 2. Great. We place on the board the rhino piece. And rhinos have thick skin and big horns on their noses. They like mud baths. And the rhino, the first letter of the rhino is R. Great, well done. Let's continue with our last wild animal. And our last wild animal is buffalo. Here it is. Let's turn around. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's a buffalo. And we only have one place where we can put the shape. So let's place it. Yes, here. 1, 2, and 3. Great, done. And the buffalo stands for letter B. And look, we almost found all animals. And the fact about the buffalo, buffaloes have big horns and live with their friends in a groups called herds. Great, we found all wild animals that lives in savanna, and we also found the savanna tree. Congratulations, we completed this puzzle. Great, well done. Hello kids, and today we have a farm animals puzzle, and we're gonna learn about the farm animals, and we have a lot of them. Let's count how many farm animals we have on this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 farm animals. Wow, there is a lot of them, and we're gonna learn about each one of them. So let's start. Let's start with our first farm animal. And let's search for the cow. And let's maybe take this one. Let's turn around. What it could be? 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a cow. It's a lamb. Okay, let's continue our search. Let's maybe turn around this one. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a cow. It's a bull. It's a male cow. Let's turn around. I think the cow could be here. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Turn around. Yes, it's cow. And it's our first farm animal. And cow, the first letter of cow is letter C. Great. Okay, and let's think where we can place the cow on this board. I think it should go somewhere here. Maybe it should go here? No, it doesn't go here well. Maybe we should turn around. No, it doesn't go here. Okay, let's maybe try to place it. Yes, it could go here. Right. Great, we found our first piece for the puzzle board. And the small fact about the cow, that cows have best friends and they moo to say hello. Yes, they moo to say hello. Great. Let's continue on our puzzle adventure journey. And the second farm animal that we gonna find gonna be the rabbit. Okay, where the rabbit could be? Let's think. Okay, I think the rabbit could be somewhere here. Let's maybe turn around this one. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a rabbit. It's a goat. Okay, let's turn around back and let's search for the rabbit. Where the rabbit could be? Maybe this one. 1, 2, 3. Let's turn around. No, it's not a rabbit. It's a duck. Okay, I think the rabbit is the small animal on the farm. So let's maybe try to go with this one puzzle piece. And let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Here we have a rabbit. Look how cute it is. And let's think where we can place it on the board. Let's think, maybe it should go here. No, this shape is too big for the rabbit. Maybe let's try to find a smaller shape. Okay, the rabbit I think could go here. Yes, it does work. And the rabbit stands for letter R. The first letter for the rabbit is R letter. And here is the small fact about the rabbits. Rabbits have big ears that help them hear things from far away. That's pretty great to have those big ears and to hear the things from far away. Great, we found our second farm animal, and let's continue with others. So the next animal that we're gonna try to find gonna be the goose. And where the goose could be? Let's think together. I think it could be this one. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. No, it's a goat. It's not a goose. Okay, let's try another one. Maybe this one. 1, 2, 3. It's a bull. It's not a goose. Let's turn around back. I think the goose is this one. Should we take this one? Yes, let's do it. Let's take this and let's turn around on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here is the goose. Yay, we found it. And the goose stands for letter G. So the first letter for the goose is G letter. Okay, that's great. So let's think where we can place the goose on this board. Where the goose could go? Maybe here? No. Maybe it could go here? No. Maybe let's try here? Yes, it works. And we have the third farm animal on the board, goose. And there is the small fact about the goose. The goose like to honk when they talk, and they waddle when they walk. Great, that's really interesting to know about the goose. And let's continue on our farm animal adventure. And let's search for the next animal. And next animal that we're gonna search gonna be the rooster. And let's think where could be the rooster. Maybe it could be this one. Let's turn around. No, it's a lamb. It's not a rooster. Maybe let's try this one. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's not a rooster. It's a turkey. Where could be the rooster? I think it could be this one. Let's try 1, 2, 3. Aha, this is the rooster. Look how colorful he is. Great. And let's place it somewhere on the board. Okay, where it could go? Let's think together. Maybe it could go here? No, it doesn't go here well. Maybe it could go here. No, I think it should go here. What do you think? Let's do it. It doesn't work. Maybe let's turn around 2 times. 1 and 2. Great. It goes here and we place it on the board. And the rooster has the first letter R. Rooster has the first letter R. And here is the fact about the rooster. Every morning, roosters crow to say, wake up. So that's what they're doing. That's a really interesting fact let's continue with our next farm animal. And the next farm animal gonna be goat. Okay, where the goat could be? It could be anywhere here. It could be this, it could be this one, or it could be this. Let's try. Let's pick one of these pieces. Let's try with this one. 1, 2, 3. Is it a goat? No, it's a sheep. It's not a goat. Let's think where the next one could be. Where the goat could be. Okay, maybe this one. It does look like a goat. It's the shape of a goat. So maybe let's try. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a goat. It's a horse. Okay. I think the goat could be this one. What do you think? Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Yes, it's a goat. Look, and the goat is smiling to us. Great. Let's place the goat on a board. And where it could go on a board, let's try together. Maybe it could go here. No, but maybe if we turn around. No, it doesn't go here. I think the goat, by looking at the goat and looking at this shape, I think the goat could go here. What do you think? Let's try. And yes, it does work. Okay, here we have a goat. And the goat stands for the letter G. So the first letter of the goat is letter G. And the small fact about the goat is that goat love to climb and have a beard called a goatee. So that's another interesting fact about the farm animal called goat. Great. Let's continue with our journey. And the next animal that we're gonna try to find gonna be the duck. Okay, and the duck is second smallest farm animal after the rabbit. And let's try to search for the duck. So I think this is really big shape. This is not a duck. So maybe we could find the smallest. Maybe this could be the duck. Let's turn. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a duck. It's a pig. Let's try another one. Maybe it could be this one. Look how small it is. And any other pieces are bigger. So let's try with this one. 1, 2, 3. Let's turn around. Yes, it's a duck. And we should place on a board. And I think, just looking at this board, I think the duck could go here. Look at this shape. It's the same shape as this one. Let's try. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, congratulations. We found the duck and placed it on a board. And the duck has the first letter D. So the duck, and it has the first letter D. And the small fact about the duck is that duck have webbed feet to help them swim in ponds. Yay! That sounds really funny and amazing. But we should continue with our next farm animal. And we already found 6 farm animals. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's continue. And the next farm animal gonna be... Yes, it's gonna be turkey. Okay, let's try to see where the turkey is. And I think the turkey could be maybe this one. Let's turn around and let's try. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no, it's not a turkey. It's a sheep. Okay, let's think where the turkey could be. Maybe this one could be the turkey. Let's try. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a turkey. It's a lamb. I think the turkey, just by looking at this shape and looking at this shape, could be the turkey. Okay, let's turn around. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, and it's a turkey. Great job. And let's try to place it on this shape. Should we do it? Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and yes, we placed the puzzle piece on a board. And it's a turkey. It has the first letter T. Right. And there is the fact about the turkey. turkeys makes a gobble gobble sound and they love to strut around with their feathers puffed out. Look how feathers are puffed out. That's really great fact about the turkey. Let's continue with other farm animals. And the next farm animal gonna be lamb. So let's see. And the lamb, I think could be this one. Let's try. No, it's not the lamb. It's a pig. Okay, let's continue. What it could be? I think it could be this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's a lamp. And let's place the lamp on a board. Maybe it could go here. No, maybe if we're gonna turn it around. 1, 2, 3. It still doesn't work. We need to find another shape. And I think this shape could work. Let's turn around. 1. Let's turn around again. 2. And yes, we've made it. We found the lamp. And also, the lamp starts with letter L. Lamp. Great. And the lamp are baby sheep and they love to jump and play. Great to know. Amazing. And let's continue with next farm animal. And the next farm animal gonna be sheep. And let's search for the sheep. Where the sheep could be. Okay. I think maybe this one. No, it's not a sheep. It's a horse. Maybe this one. No, it's not a sheep. It's a bull. Okay, maybe we can do this one. No, it's not. Maybe it could be the sheep. Let's turn around. Yes, it's a sheep. Let's try to place it on a board. And where we can place on a board? I think it could go here. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it goes well on this spot. The first letter of the sheep is S. And there is also the small fact about the sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool, like this one, that can be used to make cozy sweaters. Great to know that. Thank you, sheep. Okay, let's continue with our other farm animals, and we are almost found all of them. But we still left with 3 farm animals. And the next farm animal gonna be horse. So let's try to find the horse, where it could be. Maybe the horse could be this one. But this one looks really small for the horse. So I think it could be this. Let's turn around. 1, 2, and 3. No, it's not a horse. It's a bull. Okay. Then the horse could be this one. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, it's a horse. Congratulations. Great job. We found the horse. And let's place it on a board. Should we place it here or here? What do you think? Let's see. Can you see the shape? And can you see this shape? Yes, it should go here. Let's try. Okay. Yes, and it goes well. Amazing. Well done. We found the horse. And the horse stands for the first letter H. Great. Okay, and there is also a small fact about the horse. Horses can sleep standing up and they love apples. I also love apples like horse. Great. And let's continue with our puzzle adventure and farm animals. So we left with 2 pieces that we need for this puzzle board. And the next one that we're gonna find gonna be pig. Okay, let's look at these 2 shapes. Which one do you think could be pig? This one or this one? I think it could be... Yes, it could be this one. Okay, let's turn around. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's a pig. And let's see where we can place it on a board. I think it could go here. But it doesn't go right it. Maybe we should turn around. 1, 2. Yes, great. Well done. And the pig stands for letter P. Pig. The first letter of pig is P letter. Great. And also we have a small fact about the pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Great to know. Okay, and we have the last puzzle piece and the farm animal. It's bull. And let's turn around and see if it's a bull. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's a bull. And bulls are male cows and they have big, strong horns. Great. And we need to place this bull on this board and we only have one place to place it. And let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we've made it. We found our last piece, bull. And the first letter that stands for the bull is B, bull. It's the first letter of the bull, B. Great. And the small fact about the bull is bulls are male cows and they have a big strong horns. And we found all our puzzle pieces. On this board we found all farm animals. And let's go through each farm animal. It's a cow and it stands for letter C. Great. It's a rabbit and the first letter is R. Great. It's a rooster and its first letter is R. It's a goat and its first letter is G. Goat. Great. It's a sheep and the first letter is S. Sheep. It's a goose and the first letter is G. Right. It's a lamb and the first letter is L. Great. It's a dog and the first letter is D. Right. Correct. It's a bull and the first letter is B. Yes. It's a pig and the first letter is P. Pig. Right. It's a horse and the first letter is H. Horse. Great. And the last one is turkey and the first letter is T for turkey. Great. We found all farm animals and you've done an amazing job. Congratulations.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.